my name is Jen and welcome to Lean Balanced Kitchen. So today we are going to make chicken and bok choy stir fry. So the other day I bought this whole chicken and yes, I butchered it myself. I cut them into pieces and out of that whole chicken I made about 4 dishes, and this is part of that one whole chicken, this chicken and bok choy stir fry. And I also made a sauce for this stir fry that's so delicious, and let me show you how to make it. And if you decide to make it yourself, please snap a picture, share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you made. And also, if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. Any questions, just pop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. So let's go ahead and make this chicken and bok choy stir fry. Heat a pan with about 2 tablespoons of oil and then add about a pound of chicken breast that's cut into bite-sized pieces and let it brown. Once the chicken is brown, push them on one side of the pan and add about 2 cloves of minced garlic and saute. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, and then simmer until the sauce reduces. Then add about 2 to 3 cups of bok choy that's roughly chopped, and then cook until slightly wilted. And then add about a teaspoon of sesame oil and sprinkle about a teaspoon of sesame seeds.